Ever wondered where the tech magic behind your favorite point-of-sale system happens? I mean, the system that rings up your groceries, processes your card at your favorite coffee shop, or manages your reservations at that trendy new restaurant. We're talking about Revel Systems, a name you've probably heard if you're in the retail, restaurant, or service industry. But where exactly is this powerhouse of POS innovation based? That's the question we're diving into today. In today's fast-paced world, businesses rely heavily on technology to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and stay competitive. And at the heart of many of these businesses, you'll find a POS system. It's the central nervous system, managing everything from sales and inventory to customer data and employee scheduling. Choosing the right POS system can be a game changer, impacting efficiency, profitability, and even customer satisfaction. And that's where companies like Revel Systems come in. Revel has made a name for itself in the POS arena, offering a cloud-based platform known for its flexibility, robust features, and user-friendly interface. They cater to a wide range of businesses, from small boutiques and food trucks to large multi-location franchises. Their system is designed to adapt to the specific needs of different industries, offering customized solutions for everything from table management and online ordering to loyalty programs and detailed analytics. So, with all this innovation and impact, where is the headquarters of this influential company located? Where does the team behind Revel Systems come together to develop and refine this essential business tool? The answer is San Francisco, California. Yes, nestled in the heart of Silicon Valley, the global hub of technology and innovation, you'll find the headquarters of Revel Systems. It's a fitting location for a company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the POS space. Being in Silicon Valley puts Revel at the epicenter of the tech world, surrounded by other innovative companies, access to top talent, and a vibrant ecosystem of venture capital and investment. But it's not just about the location. It's about the people. Revel Systems was founded by a team of entrepreneurs who recognized the need for a more modern and adaptable POS solution. They set out to build a platform that would empower businesses to thrive in the digital age. And their vision, combined with the talent and dedication of their team, has propelled Revel to become a leading player in the industry. Now, while their headquarters are in San Francisco, Revel's reach extends far beyond the borders of the United States. They have a global presence, serving businesses in numerous countries around the world. This means that their technology is impacting businesses and consumers across continents, helping to streamline transactions and improve the overall customer experience. Think about it. Every time you pay for something at a store or restaurant that uses Revel Systems, you're interacting with technology that was conceived and developed in San Francisco, but is now being used globally. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the interconnectedness of the modern world. Revel's presence in San Francisco also speaks to the city's role as a breeding ground for technological innovation. Silicon Valley is more than just a place. It's a mindset. It's a culture that encourages creativity, risk-taking, and a relentless pursuit of improvement. And these values are reflected in the products and services that come out of this region, including the POS solutions developed by Revel Systems. So, the next time you're using a POS system, take a moment to consider the technology behind it. Think about the team of engineers, designers, and entrepreneurs who worked tirelessly to create a solution that makes life easier for businesses and consumers alike. And remember that many of these innovations, like Revel Systems, have their roots in the vibrant tech scene of Silicon Valley. Revel's commitment to innovation is evident in their constant evolution and adaptation to the ever-changing needs of the market. They're not just providing a POS system, they're providing a platform that empowers businesses to grow and succeed. They're constantly adding new features, improving existing functionality, and staying ahead of the curve in terms of industry trends and technological advancements. From mobile ordering and contactless payments to advanced analytics and inventory management, Revel Systems is at the forefront of POS technology. They're helping businesses to streamline their operations, enhance the customer experience, and make data-driven decisions. And it all starts in their headquarters in San Francisco. So, to recap, the headquarters of Revel Systems is located in San Francisco, California. This strategic location in the heart of Silicon Valley provides them with access to the talent, resources, and ecosystem necessary to thrive in the competitive world of POS technology. Their global presence means that their innovations are impacting businesses and consumers worldwide. And their commitment to innovation ensures that they'll continue to be a leading player in the POS space for years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.